Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to add a recovery email address to your Google account using the Google app. Adding a recovery email address can be very helpful if you ever need to recover your account, so let's get started. Open the Google application on your smart device and check if the set is signed into your account. By opening the Google application on the homepage in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture, which you will click. And then in the drop-down menu, you will look for the option, Manage Your Google Account, and click on it. By clicking on the Manage Your Google Account option, a new window will open where you can look for the security option under your profile picture in the options bar and click on it. The application will also open a drop-down menu where you will search for the recovery email option and click on it. This is where the magic happens. As you can see on the next page, there is an empty field where you can insert the recovery email. But before inserting it, we suggest that you read in detail what the application wrote to you. When you read it, all you have to do is enter your email and click on the Verify option. The application will send you a verification code to the email you entered. All you have to do is enter the 6-digit number in the field and click Verify. And just like that, add your recovery email. This will help you recover your account if you ever have trouble logging in. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a recovery email to your Google account for an extra layer of security. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.